You wake up, check your phone. 5 minutes later, you're still in bed. You tell yourself, just one more scroll. One more becomes 10. 10 becomes tomorrow. And then you think, why is my life on repeat? Wait, don't skip this. Because in the next few minutes, you'll hear expressions that describe your daily life a little too perfectly. And when one of them hits you, you'll smile and say, that's me. Today, I'm sharing 20 fresh English expressions real people use to describe modern life. Not book English. Not exam English. Real life English. Simple, natural, the kind that actually sounds good when you speak. Let's begin. First one. Scroll trap. You open your phone and time disappears. For example, I fell into a scroll trap before bed. Second. Energy on airplane mode. Your body is there, but your energy is gone. For example, after work, my energy is on airplane mode. Third. Mind on standby. You're awake, but not really thinking. For example, my mind is on standby this morning. Now listen. The next one feels personal. Plans in sleep mode. You have goals, but they're inactive. For example, my plans are still in sleep mode. Next. Motivation under maintenance. You want to try, but you're not ready yet. For example, my motivation is under maintenance today. This one describes tired people perfectly. Battery running on hope. No energy left, only hope. For example, I'm working on battery running on hope. Be honest for a second. Which one are you right now? Scroll trap or battery running on hope? Next. Thoughts in traffic. Too many ideas, nothing moving. For example, my thoughts are stuck in traffic. Next. Confidence on silent. You know what to say, but your voice feels low. For example, my confidence goes on silent in meetings. This one is very real. Focus needs Wi-Fi. You can't concentrate properly. For example, my focus needs Wi-Fi today. Now listen carefully. Brain asking for restart. You're overloaded mentally. For example, my brain is asking for a restart. This one describes late nights. Sleep debt growing. You haven't rested enough for days. For example, my sleep debt is growing this week. Now this one feels emotional. Peace on low volume. You're calm, but not fully okay. For example, my piece is on low volume today. You open your to-do list. You close it. That's this next one. Task staring contest. You and your work just look at each other. For example, I'm in a task staring contest again. Now this one is dangerous. Comfort zone glue. You want to move forward, but you're stuck. For example, my comfort zone has glue today. Stay with me. The next ones describe daily struggles. Patience on delay. Waiting feels harder than usual. For example, my patience is on delay in traffic. Hope loading slowly. Things will get better, but not yet. For example, my hope is loading slowly. Almost there. Routine on autopilot. Every day feels the same. For example, my routine is on autopilot. Mood waiting for update. You're not okay, but you will be. For example, my mood is waiting for an update. Last one. Small progress, big relief. Tiny steps still feel good. For example, I studied for 10 minutes. Small progress, big relief. Now pause for 1 second. Say this slowly, out loud. My thoughts are in traffic, but I will move forward. If you said it smoothly, your speaking flow is already improving. You just learned 20 modern expressions that real people use to describe real life. Here's a simple brain secret. When you type your favorite expression in the comments, your brain remembers it longer. So comment the one that described your life today. And if you want to stop sounding basic and start speaking natural English, like this video. Subscribe to EnglishAbhiyadav. You're not bad at English. You just needed words that feel like your life.